In this video, we'll look at an example of a box and whisker question. So let's dive straight in. Mrs. Smith has two classes, each with 50 learners, and their final mark out of 100 for the year are represented in the box and whisker. So we notice a couple of similarities. They've got the same min, same max, same lower quartile, same median. So actually the only difference is the upper quartile. Determine the interquartile range of class B. Interquartile range is Q3 minus Q1. That's the interquartile range. And so that would just be 72 minus 51, which is 21. Explain the significance in the difference of length of the boxes in the diagram. So the only difference in length are these two. And so what you could say is something like this. The boxes contain the same number of data points. So these both represent 25% of the data. So the same number of students' marks are within there. But class A is longer than class B. And what that means is that the marks for class A are more widely spread between the median and the upper quartile, whereas class B performed a bit more consistently because that box is smaller. Mrs. Smith studied the results and made a comment that there was no significant difference in performance between the two classes. Give reasons why you think Mrs. Smith would use that statement to prove what she said. And so what she might say, like I said earlier, is that the medians are the same, the ranges are the same, the min and max are the same, and so all those would be indicators that they're the same. Obviously there is a difference, and we've looked at that in the previous question, but that's what Mrs. Smith might say to prove her statement. I hope that you found this little example helpful. If you did, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share this with your friends. Thanks.